sunlight warms the shore. Island rhythms call for more. Every wave keeps perfect time. Every breeze becomes a rhyme. The bassline rolls beneath the sand, joining every heart and hand. From the village to the bay, music carries us away. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Let the positive spirit take control. Lift your hands into the sky. Together we'll keep the fire alive. Island hearts in motion, moving free, flowing like the endless sea. Reggae roots and dancehall flame. Every voice becomes the same. Celebrate the joy tonight, underneath the moon so bright. One sweet groove, one melody, bound forever by harmony. Steel drums sing through the night air, smiles and laughter everywhere. Classic rhythms, fresh and bold, stories waiting to unfold. The guitars hum, the dancers sway, living fully in the moment today. Every chorus lifts us high, like birds soaring through the sky. Across the islands, across the land, music joins every heart and hand. Different voices, one refrain, sunshine follows every rain. Island hearts in motion, shining bright, keeping hope alive tonight. Dancehall energy, reggae soul, music always makes us whole. Raise your voices, sing as one, celebrate beneath the sun. One heartbeat for all to see, island rhythm endlessly. Let the drums keep calling, let the bassline roll. Carry the island spirit deep within your soul. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. To flow, golden lights put on a show. Island streets are filled with sound, good vibrations all around. The bassline rolls beneath our feet, every heartbeat finds the beat. Palm trees sway beneath the moon, the island comes alive so soon. The rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. Hands up high beneath the sky, tonight we're reaching way up high. Moonlit motion, side by side, ride the rhythm like the ocean tide. Reggae roots and dancehall flame, every heartbeat feels the same. Move together, wild and free, lost inside the melody. One sweet groove, one celebration, island sound across the nations. Sparkle through the night, every smile is shining bright. Classic rhythms, fresh and bold, stories waiting to be told. From the coastline to the square, music fills the evening air. Every chorus lifts us higher, fueling every dream with fire. Across the islands, across the sea, the rhythm flows so naturally. Different voices, one embrace, music joins the human race. Moonlit motion never fade, until sunrise. The groove lives on tonight. Side by side, ride the rhythm like the ocean tide. Reggae roots and dancehall flame, every heartbeat feels the same. Move together, wild and free, lost inside the melody. One sweet groove, one celebration, island sound across the nation. The sunrise paints the ocean bright. Island dreams awaken with the light. The sound system shakes the morning air. Positive vibrations everywhere. The bassline rolls like the endless tide. Every heartbeat filled with pride. From busy streets to quiet bays, music lights our brightest days. Stand up tall, let your spirit shine. Every step moves right on time. Feel the rhythm deep inside, like the waves upon the tide. And free, moving with the island melody. Reggae roots and dancehall flame, every heartbeat calls your name. Lift your voice into the sky, let your dreams forever fly. One sweet groove, one harmony, together strong for all to see. Drums sparkle in the breeze, carried gently through the trees. Classic rhythms never fade, living in the songs we've made. The guitars sing with joyful sound, smiles and laughter all around. Every chorus builds the fire, taking every soul much higher. Across the oceans, near and far, music shines just like a star. Different voices, one embrace, rhythm brings us to one place. Rise with the rhythm, bold and bright. Keep the island spirit in your sight. Dancehall energy, reggae soul, music always makes us whole. Celebrate the love we share, feel the magic everywhere. One heartbeat, one destiny, island sound for eternity. drums keep rolling. Let the bassline breathe. Carry the rhythm with you wherever you may be. Sunrise glows across the bay, washing every shadow away. Island voices fill the air, bringing hope for all to share. The bassline rolls both deep and warm, like the sea before the storm. Every heartbeat finds its place, every smile lights every face. Lift your spirit, lift your song, every heart is where we belong. When the rhythm leads the way, brighter grows another day. United by the rhythm, side by side, let compassion be our guide. Reggae roots and dancehall flame, different people, one refrain. Raise your voice beneath the sky, let every dream soar high. From every shore across the sea, our song becomes one melody. Steel drums ring through evening light, keeping every soul so bright. Classic grooves and fresh new sound, positive vibrations all around. Children laughing in the square, simple moments everywhere. From the hills to the coastline blue, every beat feels strong and true. No walls can silence hopeful hearts, music heals where healing starts. Every nation, every hand, building tomorrow across the land. United by the rhythm, stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Dancehall spirits, reggae soul, together we become whole. Let the echoes carry far, beyond the moon and every star. One heartbeat through eternity, island music sets us free. Keep the rhythm alive, keep the spirit strong. From every island to every nation, may the music carry us along. United by the rhythm, side by side, let compassion be our guide. Reggae roots and dancehall flame, different people, one refrain. Raise your voice beneath the sky, let every dream soar high. From every shore across the sea, our song becomes one melody. Our song becomes one melody. Our song becomes one melody. Moonlight glows on the crystal sea, island winds sing naturally. Palm trees sway to the evening sound, good vibrations all around. The bassline rolls with steady grace, smiles are shining on every face. From the shoreline to the town, the sweetest rhythms never slow down. Feel the breeze, let your spirit rise, underneath the tropical skies. Every heartbeat finds the flow. Every melody feels just right. Classic rhythms, bold and true, painting every sky in blue. The guitars hum, the people sing. Joy is found in everything, from every village to every shore. The island spirit asks for more. Across the oceans near and far, music shines just like a star. Every heartbeat, every voice celebrates this timeless joy. Find the moonlight groove, shine on, keeping every celebration strong. Dancehall, soul and reggae pride, with the ocean as our guide. Lift your voices to the sky, watch your dreams begin to fly. One love, one family, forever living in harmony. Feel the breeze, hear the drums. Let the bass line carry you home. Island vibes forever. The morning breaks with a golden flame. Island people call your name. From the harbor to the mountain high, hope is rising with the sky. A steady bassline shakes the ground. Good vibrations all around. Every heartbeat finds its place. Every smile lights every face. Lift your spirit, let it soar. Open every heart and every door. Move as one beneath the sun. The celebration has begun. Stand up together, strong and free, moving with the island melody. Reggae roots and dance on fire, taking every soul up higher. Hands held high beneath the stars, shining bright no matter where we are. One love flowing endlessly, a rhythm for humanity. A rhythm for humanity. Steel drums echo through the night, guiding every step just right. Classic rhythms fresh and bold, stories that are proudly told. The ocean breeze begins to sway, carrying every note away. Generation after generation sings music, gives our hearts new wings. From every shoreline to every street, different cultures share one beat. Across the world the message grows, peace is found where music flows. Stand up together, voices rise, like the sunrise in tropical skies. Dancehall spirit, reggae soul, music is what makes us whole. Celebrate the joy we share, feel the rhythm everywhere. One heartbeat, one destiny, island sound for eternity. Island sound for eternity. Island sound for eternity. Island sound for eternity. Let the rhythm play on, let the bass line stay strong. From the islands to the world, the music carries us along. Let the rhythm play on, let the bass line stay strong. From the islands to the world, the music carries us along. Stand up together, strong and free, moving with the island melody. Reggae roots and dancehall fire, taking every soul up higher. let the bass line roll. Carry the island rhythm deep within your soul. Island music sets us free. Heartbeats on the breeze tonight, shining like the moon so bright. Reggae roots and dancehall flame, every voice calls out the same. Move together side by side, with the ocean as our guide. One sweet groove, one melody, island spirit running free. Oh, oh, 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 island music sets us free. Morning breaks across the bay, island winds begin to play. Golden waves kiss the shore, calling hearts forevermore. The bassline rolls deep and wide, like the rhythm of the rising tide. Every smile lights up the street, every soul moves with the beat. Hold the moment, don't let go, feel the island spirit grow. From the mountains to the sea, music brings us harmony. Carry the light wherever you roam, every heartbeat leads you home. Reggae roots and dancehall fire, lifting every dream a little higher. Raise your hands beneath the stars, no matter where in the world you are. One sweet rhythm, one destiny, bound together in harmony. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Steel drums shimmer in the breeze, moving gently through the trees. Classic rhythms fresh and bright, keeping every soul alive. Every chorus tells a tale, hope will always fill our sails. The island spirit never fades, living on through songs we've made. Across the oceans, across the land, music joins us hand in hand. Different voices, one embrace, every heartbeat finds its place. Carry the light, let it shine, every rhythm perfectly aligned. Dancehall energy, reggae soul, music always makes us whole. Celebrate the joy we bring, one song.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Sunset paints the shoreline gold. Island stories never grow old. From the market streets to the moonlit bay, the heartbeat of the rhythm leads the way. The bass line rolls like the restless sea, calling every soul in harmony. Steel drums sparkle, the guitar sing. Feel the joy that the islands bring. Turn the sound up, let the speakers breathe. Move with the rhythm, you can truly feel. Every heartbeat finds its place tonight, shining together beneath the island light. Ignite the island rhythm, let it blaze. Feel the night with unforgettable praise. Reggae roots and dancehall fire, lifting every spirit higher and higher. Hands in the air, let the good vibes grow. Feel the pulse in every step, you know. One sweet groove, one family, moving together in unity. Oh yeah. Whoa. Classic rhythms with a modern sound, positive energy all around. Every smile tells a brand new tale, every chorus catches every sail. Ocean breeze keeps the music alive, every beat helps our dreams survive. From Kingston streets to distant lands, the rhythm travels hand in hand across the islands, across the sea. Music writes our history, different voices, one heartbeat strong. Together we become one song. Ignite the island rhythm once again, like the sunshine after gentle rain. Dancehall soul and reggae pride, carrying hope on every tide. Raise your voices to the sky above, celebrate the sound of peace and love. One heartbeat for all to see, island music lives eternally. Let the drums roll on, let the bass line flow. Carry the rhythm wherever you go. One love, one groove, one celebration. Morning sunshine kisses the sea, island breeze sets every heart free. Golden rays on the mountainside, hope awakens with the rising tide. Children laughing through the open square, music floating softly through the air. Every heartbeat finds a joyful way, welcoming another brighter day. Hold your head up, let your spirit sing. Every dawn brings another blessing. Feel the rhythm, let your worries fade. Peace is found in the songs we made.
keep their gentle song, teaching every soul to carry on. Palm trees dancing with the breeze, nature moves with effortless ease. All guitars and drums unite, filling every street with light. Classic rhythms lead the way, keeping happiness here to stay. From every island to every shore, music opens every door. Different voices, one embrace, rhythm brings the world one place. Morning sun will rise again, joy will wash away the pain. Dance on fire, reggae soul, music always makes us whole. Raise your hands beneath the sky, let your dreams forever fly. One love growing endlessly, a brighter world for all to see. The sunrise calls, the rhythm remains. Together we celebrate life, one heartbeat at a golden daylight melts into the sea. Island winds are singing wild and free. Every heartbeat finds a steady pace, joy and laughter shining on each face. The sound system wakes the evening air, people gather from everywhere. The bassline rolls like the ocean tide, keeping every dancing soul alive. Feel the rhythm lifting every dream, flowing strong just like a mountain stream. Raise your hands, let the music lead, every heartbeat moving to the beat. Stand together tonight, side by side, moving with the rhythm, filled with pride. Reggae fire and dance on soul, one sweet groove that makes us whole. Let the melodies carry us away, dancing through the night until the day. One heartbeat, one harmony, island spirit for eternity. Steel drums sparkle beneath the stars, music travels near and far. Classic rhythms blend with fresh new sound, positive vibrations all around. Every chorus echoes through the air, bringing hope for all to share. From the islands to the world we sing, unity is everything. No matter where the journey starts, music always joins our hearts. Across the oceans, across the skies, the island spirit never dies. Stand together tonight, voices high, let the music lift us to the sky. Dance all energy, reggae grace, smiles are shining on every face. Feel the bass line strong and true, every rhythm feels completely new. One love growing endlessly, together we write our melody. Keep the rhythm flowing
Morning sunshine paints the sea in gold. Island heartbeat never getting old. Yeah. Every smile carries yesterday's song, where the rhythm says we all belong. Bare feet dancing on the warm white sand, love and laughter flowing through the land. Every heartbeat moves in perfect time. Lift your spirit with the island vibe. Raise your hands, let the good times grow. Feel the bassline deep inside your soul. From the beaches to the city lights, we celebrate this beautiful life. Island fire, let the music play. Moving together till the break of day. Reggae heartbeat, dancehall soul. One sweet rhythm makes the whole world roll. Sing it louder, let your spirit fly. Underneath the Caribbean sky, feel the groove, let your worries fade. Tonight was born for the memories we make. Yeah. Steel drums echo through the evening breeze. Freedom floating with the swaying trees. Every corner has a story told. Every melody is pure as gold. Sound system shaking every avenue. Old school classics blending with the new. Generation after generation sings. Music gives us stronger wings. No matter where you're coming from tonight, one love shines brighter than the city lights. Every heartbeat finds a common sound. Together we can turn the world around. Island fire, never let it fade. Built on love and every choice we've made. Reggae spirit, dancehall flame. Every nation singing one refrain. Higher, higher, let the echoes ring. Feel the joy that every heartbeat brings. From the islands to the world we save. Keep the rhythm living every day. One love, one groove, one celebration. Caribbean soul, worldwide vibration. Yeah. One love, one groove, one celebration. Caribbean soul, worldwide vibration. Yeah. I love one groove, one celebration. Yeah. I love one groove, one celebration. Yeah.
Moonlight dancing on the shoreline glow. Island breeze got the whole place flowing slow. Every heartbeat moves with the rolling tide. Feel the rhythm calling from deep inside. The speakers rumble with a timeless sound. Every smile lifts the whole crowd off the ground. Hands up high as the night unfolds. Living every moment like a story told. Turn it up, let the rhythm lead the way. From sunset colors to the break of day, every step is carried by the groove. When the bass line drops, the whole world will move. Midnight vibration, light up the sky. Island celebration, reaching so high. Dance with the rhythm, move naturally. Caribbean heartbeat setting us free. Raise every voice, let the good times flow. Feel every beat from your head to your toes. One sweet melody, one family. Together we shine in perfect harmony. modern flame. Different faces, but we're all the same. Every corner echoes songs of pride. Music keeps the island spirit alive. The guitar sing while the gulls reply. Stars are glowing in the velvet sky. Every chorus carries hope and light, bringing every soul alive tonight. Let the music travel over every sea, building bridges through sweet harmony. From Kingston streets to the world so wide, the island spirit is our greatest guide. Midnight vibration, never fade away. Keep the fire burning every single day. Reggae heartbeat, dancehall soul. Timeless rhythms always make us whole. Lift your hands and celebrate tonight. Every dream is shining bright. Feel the love in every melody. Island forever, wild and free. One rhythm, one people, one celebration. From the Caribbean to every nation, the music lives on.
This is my life I'm waiting for. Yeah, I lost my line now that. I lost my line now that. Golden sunrise breaking through the blue. Island wind brings a melody so true. Every heartbeat finds a steady groove. Feel the rhythm making every spirit move. The speakers roar, the crowd comes alive. Hands in the air, feeling every vibe. Footsteps echo on the sandy shore. When the music calls, we always want more. Turn the sound up, let the bass line roll. Feel the fire burning in your soul. From the city lights to the ocean tide, one sweet rhythm keeps us unified. Flame of the island, burning bright tonight. Shining through the darkness with a guiding light. Dance to the rhythm, let your spirit fly. Underneath the endless tropical sky, feel a heartbeat, strong and free. Moving together in perfect harmony. Raise your voice and sing along. The island rhythm keeps so strong. Yeah. Classic grooves meet a brand new day. Old school vibes in a fresh new way. Steel drums ring with the guitar stone. Every melody feels just like home. The bass line rolls like the ocean sea, calling every heart to unity. Every smile tells a story untold, wrapped in rhythms richer than gold. Across the islands, across the land, music joins every heart and hand. Every nation, every generation, dancing together in celebration. Flame of the island, keep it glowing high, like the stars that sparkle in the midnight sky. Reggae spirit, dancehall flame, timeless music never fade away. Lift the energy, let the whole world see the power of rhythm and unity. One heartbeat, one destiny. Island music lives eternally. Let the drums roll, let the bass line breathe. Let the island fire shine forever.
Morning sunshine warms the crystal shore. Island rhythms calling louder than before. Every street is filled with smiling faces, moving together through familiar places. The bassline rolls like the ocean tide. Every heartbeat keeps the groove alive. From the market square to the midnight show, feel the island energy overflow. Let the rhythm carry every care away. Celebrate the blessing of another day. Hands together, voices rising strong. Every soul becomes a part of the song. Island state of mind, we're feeling free, moving with the rhythm naturally. Reggae spirit, dancehall soul. Every heartbeat makes the people whole. Raise the music, let the good times grow. Feel the island fire start to glow. From the sunrise to the morning light, we'll keep dancing through the night. We'll keep dancing through the night. Steel guitar and drums begin to play. Every melody can brighten up the day. Classic rhythms never lose their flame. Every generation sings the same. Caribbean breeze carries every sound. Joy and laughter echo all around. One love rising with the evening sky. Every dream is reaching higher. No matter where your journey starts today, music always finds another way. From Kingston streets to distant shores, the rhythm opens every door. Island state of mind forever strong, where every heart can sing along. Dancehall fire, reggae glow. Let the positive vibration flow. One world dancing hand in hand, join together across every land. Feel the groove for all to see. Island music is our legacy. Turn up the sound, feel the heartbeat. Celebrate the rhythm, forever united by the music. Yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Whoa, hey, hey. Yeah. Hey. Morning breaks with a golden glow. Island winds make the palm trees sway slow. Every heartbeat follows the rolling tide. Caribbean spirit is our faithful guide. Footprints dancing where the waves arrive. Every smile keeps the dream alive. The bassline rolls like the endless sea, calling every soul to move naturally. Lift your voice, let the rhythm rise, like the sunshine filling open skies. Every moment shines a little brighter. Music makes the journey lighter. Ride the waves of tomorrow, feel the breeze, moving with the rhythm so effortlessly. Reggae heartbeat, dancehall flame, island spirit calling out your name. Hands together underneath the stars. No matter where in the world you are, one sweet groove, one melody, forever flowing like the endless sea. Classic rhythms meet a fresh new sound. Joy and laughter echo all around. Steel drum sparkle with the guitar stone. Every melody feels just like home. From the shoreline to the city lights, music keeps our dreams in sight. Generation after generation sings. Hope is carried on the wind. Across the oceans, across the sand, the rhythm joins every heart and hand. Every nation hears the call. One love rises